Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Your Notes. Today we will learn how to hide your Twitter likes in seconds. So, the first step is go to the application of X, and here you need to go to the option in the the superior left corner. This is the option of your profile, and here you need to go to the option of settings and support, and you need to open this option, and you got two options. After that, you got settings and privacy and help center. So here you need to go to the option of settings and privacy, and here you need to go to the option of privacy and safety. Here you pick here, and after that you need to go to the option of content of audience and tagging. So in this part you need to activate this option of protect your post. That option they explain to you only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your post. So you activate that option, and the likes, for example, now is high because this option activated like the protection of your activity, your post, your profile in the X application. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.